Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys lock screen pattern setting guys. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how to set pattern lock in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to set guys pattern lock in your Samsung phone, so as you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set pattern lock in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all guys, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys click on guys your lock screen settings. So guys tap here, guys click on screen lock type, then guys click on pattern. So guys, how can you set pattern? So as you can see guys, remember this pattern. If you forget it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. So I don't forget your pattern, okay man. So example for guys, I will take guys this one L, and guys if you take guys 1 second, and guys if you take guys 3 dots, it will not work. So you will have to draw guys 4 dots. So I will take guys this L and continue again guys L, and guys don't forget your pattern. Confirm. Then guys come back, then guys we will off our phone screen, then guys check. So as you can see guys, we have this pattern lock. So we will draw pattern to unlock our phone. So like that guys, you can set your pattern lock, and guys you can use your pattern lock in your Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.